akhona ama-questions laphana sisiqhubeka. Akhona ama-questions laphana ake aqhamuke athi determine the values of x. Determine the values of x for which f prime x is less than 0. Now, for which f prime x is less or equal to 0. Determine the values of x for which f prime x is greater than 0. Now, determine the values of x for which f prime x is greater or equal to 0. So, very easy. Less than 0 means negative. La ila negative corner ingekho equal to 0, but la ila izoba kusuka la use 0 corner is included nala negative corner. Greater than 0 means positive. So la ila greater than 0 corner kuphela, la ila izoba greater than 0 futhi include nala izoba positive corner. So in terms of a solution ngale graph, what do I say? The values of x for which f prime x is less than 0 means negative. Ngiyabona mina ukuthi kusukela kuphi ku1 kuya ku3 igraph will decrease. So all I simply say x is an element of 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. Ngoba akekho or equal to ngizofaka round bracket, but uma kukhona or equal to ngizothi x is an element of ngifaka square bracket bese ngithi 1 is to 3. Omunye umuntu angayibhala in an interval notation athi set Biller notation athi 1 less than x less than 3. Sakhumbula ama-solve ama-inequalities because i-area A1 ngapha ku set Biller notation bengathi 1 less or equal to x less or equal to 3. Ngoba kusukela ku1 kuya ku3 makuno less or equal to, it means ukuthi nalapho equal to 0 corner is also included, nalapho equal to 0 corner it's also included. Then masibethi f prime x is greater than 0, kukuphi lapho gradient positive corner kusukela ku negative infinity kuya ku1. So which means lapho x less than 1 corner and singathi or and nangapha futhi where x is greater than 3. So simply lana bengizothi x less or equal to 1 and x is greater or equal to 3. Ilapho positive corner kusukela ku3 kuyali nangapha less than 1 ilapho is equal. In interval notation, x an element of le bezohamba yedwa nalo ahamba yedwa. Lo bengizothi x an element of negative infinity is to 1. Ngapha bengizothi x an element of 3 is to positive infinity. Ngapha interval notation, x an element of negative infinity is to 1 and x an element of 3 is to positive infinity. But this one I think is the simplest and the safest which ungayilokhuza ungayisho. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at this one. Aliyana futhi iyona igraph esidwebe izolo. You'll remember laphana ingikhohlwe khona na ufaka loya 2 is to 0 laphana. Okay, let me break the video. I will continue after this.